Stop paying for AI videos, because what you're seeing right now, this heaven-like cinematic world, was created using AI with 0 credits, 0 subscriptions, completely free, no tricks, no hidden limits, no trial expired. And here's the crazy part. Most creators are still wasting money, paying again and again, just to generate a few seconds of video. But today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful AI tools that let you create high-quality cinematic videos without spending a single dollar. Not low quality, not basic. I'm talking about professional level visuals that look like they came straight out of a movie. And yes, these are the exact tools used to create this scene. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate your own AI videos for free. No credits, no limits, no excuses. So if you're serious about creating AI content without burning your money, watch this carefully, because most people will miss this. Let's begin. Now let's start with the most advanced AI tool, Wan AI. As you can see, I searched for Wan AI on Google and clicked on the first link. Now we've landed on the Wan AI homepage. Click on the Try Now button. On the next page, open the Upgrade section and you'll see it clearly. You can generate unlimited AI videos for free with 0 cost and no credits required. You can also upgrade to Pro or Premium. It's very affordable compared to other AI tools, and it helps you generate videos faster, especially during peak times. And another great feature of this AI tool, you get 10 priority credits daily just by checking in. This helps you generate videos even faster. You can also see that other creators are already using this tool, and they've generated amazing AI videos with it. Choose the type of video you want to generate. Here, you'll see different functions like generate, reference, and effects, etc. Next, select the AI model. Right now, the most advanced is Wan AI 2.7, or you can also use 2.6 or earlier versions. Now go to Settings. You can choose resolution, 720p or 1080p. 1080p is for paid users. Then select your aspect ratio for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. After that, set your video length from 2 to 15 seconds. And here's the most important part. You can toggle between faster generation using credits or unlimited free generation with 0 cost. You can also turn prompt enhancement on or off. I'll just leave it as it is. And here you can set the first frame and last frame. Plus, you can even add your own audio for lip sync generation. Now I'll click on the frame button to upload an image because we're generating the video from an image. As you can see, the image is selected. It may take a few seconds to upload. Once it's done, I'll paste the prompt I already created with ChatGPT. In this example, the character will say, "Wow, this feels like heaven." Now set the configuration. Model 2.7, 720p resolution, and 5-second duration. For now, I'll keep this toggle on to use credits, so the video generates faster. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button, and within a few seconds, our video is ready. Let's check the result.
Wow, this feels like heaven. Wow, this feels like heaven.
As you can see, the result is cinematic and clean, and the character delivers the exact words we gave in the prompt. You still have options to extend the duration, edit, or retry the video. But since this one looks perfect, we can simply click on the download button. Right now, on the free version, the video will download with a watermark.
Wow, this feels like heaven.
You can clearly see the final result. Clean, cinematic, and impressive. Now let's try another video. I'll upload another image of the same character. As you can see, the image is selected. It may take a few seconds to upload. This time, the character will say, "The impossible made real by AI." And within a few seconds, we get the result.
The impossible made real by AI. The impossible made real.
As you saw, the output is absolutely amazing. You've seen the first tool, now it gets even better. Let's move to the second AI tool, Vheer AI. As you can see, I searched for Vheer AI on Google. Before clicking the main link, quick heads up. In some countries, the site may not load, so just connect to a VPN. I recommend Urban VPN. It's free to use. Now I'll click on the first link, and as you can see, we're on the Vheer AI homepage. Next, click on Start Creating Now. On this page, you'll find multiple tools like text-to-image, text-to-video, image-to-video, and more. Let's start with text-to-image, so I'll click on it. Here you'll see the prompt area where we paste our prompt. Next, select the model. Some of the most advanced ones are available, but many are for paid users. If you log in, you can still use advanced models for free with some limits. Now choose the aspect ratio. I'll select 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube. The Think option is optional. You can turn it on or off. And here's the best part. Vheer can generate images with zero cost and no credits. Now simply click on the Generate button, and within a few seconds, we get a cinematic image, exactly matching the prompt we gave. Now let's turn this image into a video. First, click on the Download button to save the image. Once it's downloaded, click on Image to Video. Now click on Select Image and choose the image we just downloaded. Once it's uploaded, paste your prompt here to guide the AI. Below that, you'll see different video models, some of the most powerful ones available. You can also choose the aspect ratio, but I'll keep it on auto. Then select the video duration from 5 to 20 seconds. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button, and within a few seconds, you get an amazing cinematic result. No login required and no watermark, and unlimited image and video generations. You've seen what Vheer AI can do. Now let's move to the third tool, Meta AI. First, I'll search for Meta AI on Google and click on the first link. Now we're on the main page. I'm already logged in. Here, you'll see options like text to image and video. Since we want to create a video, select Create Video. Next, click on the plus button and upload the image you want to animate. It may take a few seconds to upload. Now copy the same prompt we used earlier and paste it into the prompt section to guide the AI. Once everything is set, click on the Animate button, and within a few seconds, we get an amazing cinematic AI video. Right now, Meta doesn't generate sound with image to video. It only adds sound when you create videos from text. But the best part, you can use it unlimited and completely free. You can also edit or restyle the video using Meta's pre-made templates. And here, you can add copyright-free music. I'll search for cinematic, and you can see there are many tracks available. I'll pick the first one and press apply. Now Meta will regenerate the video with music, and within a few seconds, we get the final result. Let's check it. If you don't like the generated video, you can simply retry it or click on the download button, and the video will be saved to your desktop. Let's check the downloaded file. As you can see, there's no watermark, the music is already added, and the best part, you can generate unlimited videos using Meta AI. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.